Now discuss about types of neurons. Nervous system present in the animals consist two types of the cells. One is the neuron, second one is glial cells. Okay, in this already you know about the structure of the multipolar neuron. Okay, next another now going to discuss about the types of neurons. Okay, there are three types of the neurons. Neurons classified into different types on the based on the structure and based on the function. Based on the structure, neurons present in the animals divides into three types. One is unipolar neuron, second one is bipolar neurons, and third one is multipolar neuron. What about unipolar neuron? Student, unipolar neuron that has single process, okay, and arises from the cell body. Student, unipolar neuron that shows the single process, that is starts from the cell body and divides into two branches. One is the dendrite and the one is the axon. Okay, and also it is with unidirection flow of the information. Unidirectional flow of the information. Next student, cell body already cell body divides into two branches. Student, it is the diagram of the pseudo unipolar neuron. It is the cell body, cyton, perikaryon or soma, and one of the branch, and from the cyton divides into two branches. Okay, one is the dendrite and the one is the axon. Cell body divides into two branches. One act as a dendrite, another one is act as an axon. Next, these are the unipolar neurons present in the sensory neurons. Students, sensory neurons transfer the sensory impulses from the sensory organ to the central nervous system. The type of the sensory neurons which is connected with the receptors of the sense organs. Sensory neurons are unipolar neurons. Sensory neurons present in the body, these are unipolar neurons. Next, second one is bipolar neurons. What about the bipolar neurons? With one dendrite. Bipolar neurons with one dendrite, one axon at opposite poles. Student, it is the diagrammatic part of the bipolar neuron. Okay, it is the dendrite, it is the axon locates at the opposite poles. Okay, next student, bipolar neurons occurs in retina of eye. Okay, next, olfactory epithelium of the nose. Olfactory epithelium of the nose. Next, another internal ear student. Internal ear, olfactory epithelium of the nose, and retina of eye shows bipolar neurons. Next student, and the multipolar neuron. Already you know about the multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron that has the cyton. From the cyton there is a numerous dendrites and single axon which is arises from the axon hillock. One axon, many dendrites, most neurons in the body. Next student, multipolar neurons are more number of the neurons in the body. These are multipolar neurons. Next, based on the function. Based on the function, these are the neurons are divides into three types. One is the sensory neuron, another one is the motor neuron, third one is interneurons. In this first one, sensory neurons. Sensory neurons also called afferent neuron. What about sensory neuron? Carry sensory impulses from receptor to central nervous system. Student, sensory neurons carries the sensory impulses from the receptors which is present in sensory organs in the body, okay, sensory part of the body, to the central nervous system. Central nervous system means brain or spinal cord, okay. These are sensory neurons, also called afferent neurons. Next, second one, motor neurons. What about the motor neurons? Motor neurons carry motor impulses from the central nervous system to the effector organs in the body. These are carries motor impulses from the brain or spinal cord to the effector organs in the body, such as muscle or glands. These are the motor neurons, also called efferent neurons. Next, what about interneurons? Interneurons, students, these are present in the central nervous system of the body and connect sensory impulses. Sensory neurons. These are the interneurons, connect sensory neurons with the motor neurons. Motor neurons, sensory neurons connected in the central nervous system of the body by the help of the interneurons, which transmits the impulses. This is about interneurons. Next, student, axons also goes to differentiation based on the present or absent of the myelin sheath around the axon, surrounds the axon. Based on myelin sheath, types of axons. Student, myelin sheath axon is with the myelin axon is with the myelin sheath. These are myelinated axons. Axon without the myelin sheath, the type of the axons called non-myelinated axons. What about myelinated axons? Student, already you know about the Schwann cell. Schwann cells are the glial cells or supporting cells in the nervous system. These are close contact with the axolemma of axon. Okay. These are the Schwann cells covered with the layer. Schwann cells covered with the layer. That is, the layer is called neurilemma. Neurilemma that covers the Schwann cell with the cytoplasm and the nucleus. That is called neurilemma. Okay. Next, student, and the layer of a Schwann cell contain myelin. Layer of what is about the myelin? Layer of the Schwann cell contain myelin. Myelin that consists high proportion of the lipids. Present in the myelin sheath. Okay. Schwann cell layer contain myelin. Okay. Next, student, and the neurilemma means layer of the Schwann cell contains cytoplasm and nucleus. Some cells do not contain myelin. Okay. Next, and the portion of axon without myelin sheath. Okay, if you observe entire the length of the outer surface of the axon, some of the portions is with the myelin sheath, is without the myelin sheath. Some of the portions is without the myelin sheath. That is, the region is called nodes of Ranvier. The space between the two nodes is called internodes. Okay, student. Next, myelinated axons. Myelinated nerve fibers present at the white matter of the central nervous system. Okay, student, myelinated nerve fiber means myelinated axons. Myelinated axons present at the white matter of the central nervous system. Myelin sheath is with the high proportion of the lipids. It is appeared as a white matter in the central nervous system. Okay. And if you observe white matter of the central nervous system such as brain and the spinal cord, that is with the myelinated nerve fibers, myelinated axons. Next, non-myelinated axons. What about non-myelinated axons? It is found in gray matter of the central nervous system. Some portion of the central nervous system, some portions of the spinal cord and the brain, if you observe, that is with the gray matter or the white matter. White matter is with the myelinated axons and gray matter is without the non-myelinated or non-myelinated axons. Non-myelinated axons found in gray matter of the central nervous system. Okay, student. Next, postganglionic neurons of autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system, if you observe, autonomous nervous system is with two types of the neurons. Autonomous nervous system is with ganglion. Okay, portion of the group of the cell bodies present at the peripheral nervous system. Autonomous nervous system is the part of the peripheral nervous system. Okay, peripheral nervous system is with the group of cell bodies called ganglion. Okay, next there are two types of the neurons. Before the neurons present before the ganglion, these are called preganglionic neurons. Next, neurons that are present after the ganglion, these are called postganglionic neurons. Okay, postganglionic neurons connect with the internal organs in the body. Okay, next, if you observe postganglionic neurons of central nervous system, postganglionic neurons of autonomous nervous system. Autonomous nervous system is with non-myelinated axons. Okay, student. On the base of structure, neurons divides into three types: unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, multipolar neuron. Unipolar neuron, sensory neurons, for example. Bipolar neurons present in retina of eye, olfactory epithelium of nose, internal ear. Next, multipolar neurons, most neurons in the body, multipolar neurons. Based on function, sensory neurons and motor neuron and interneurons. And myelin sheath, based on the presentation of the absent of the myelin sheath, axons of neuron divides into two types: myelinated axon, non-myelinated